Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today. And here we are inside of the bathroom of the gigantic dollhouse that I bought at the community yard sale for $30. And even though it's a small bathroom, it's not that small. It's actually very spacious because of the size of this house. If you've been following me, you have seen the size of the house. It is huge. So I can do a lot in this bathroom, but I am having quite a challenge deciding what colors and what material to use because I have so much of it. I have so many options that I'm having trouble deciding on what am I going to use on the floor, what am I going to use on the walls. So that's a decision making challenge, and it's going to take me a little bit of time. But again, the challenge is because of that, because I have too many options. So I want to show you a couple of things. This here that you see, this bar is from curtains, and it's like an old-fashioned little rod that holds curtains in place, and it has extensions. I have like more of those. So what I did was it fit perfectly right in against the two walls. And what I did was I took a pack of LED lights and I wrapped it around there, and those lights are pretty potent. Look at how much light is in this space here. So those might be the permanent lights to go in this bathroom. Now you see that door? That door does not open. It's of course part of the house, but it does not open. It just has the knob, I guess, for decor. It's not even stuck. It's just there because it's part of the house. So it doesn't go anywhere. Then this here, I'm not sure what was the purpose of this previously, but in real life, it looks like in some type of electrical box. So I'm not sure what the purpose of that is, but I'm going to leave it there. I'll just decorate it or make it a cabinet. I'll probably make this a cabinet. I'll give it a cabinet face and it'll be perfect because of the shape. So that's what I'm going to do there. So other than that, I will also pay attention to the ceilings, and I will continue to share the progress with you. Once I decide on the walls or the floors, I will share another video with you on this cute little bathroom here. So stay tuned for that, and thank you so much for watching.